So in this class, good morning to everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the properties of matter and their measurement. But in the previous class, we already discussed about the some definition of matter and the what is actual meaning of the chemistry and its definitions, and also we discussed about the classification of the matter. So in this class we are going to discuss about the properties of matter and their measurement. So in this class we are going to discuss about the properties of matter and their measurement. So see, the properties of matter describe its characteristics and behavior. These properties can be broadly classified into two categories. So here प्रॉपर्टीज किसके डिस्क्राइब मैटर के क्या डिस्क्राइब करता है, उसका कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स एंड बिहेवियर. जब हम क्या करते हैं, आप अपना फ्रेंड्स के बारे में कौन सा ज़्यादा फ्रेंड्स के साथ डिस्कशन करते हैं, जब क्या करते हैं आप दूसरा लोगों का कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स के ऊपर जज करते हैं और उसका बिहेवियर जज करते हैं. सेम वैसे ही हम क्या कर रहे हैं, मैटर के कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स एंड बिहेवियर के बारे में हम स्टडी कर रहे हैं. सो दे आर ब्रॉडली क्लासिफाइड into two categories. What are they? They are, first one is physical properties, second one is chemical property. So first we are going to discuss about the physical properties. These are the characteristics that can be observed or measured without changing the substance chemical composition. सिंपल फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी क्या करता है, मेजर करता है. और एक इम्पॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है इसमें, केमिकल कंपोजिशन कभी भी नहीं चेंज होना. वी हैव देयर शुड बी नो केमिकल कंपोजिशन शुड बी नॉट गोइंग टू चेंज इन द फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी व्हाइल measuring. So in physical properties they are classified into examples. In example they are given into two types: extensive property and intensive property. What do you mean by extensive property? Extensive property means depends on amount of matter present. ये प्रॉपर्टी कैसा कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स एंड बिहेवियर मेजर करता है, किसके इसमें क्या को याद रखना है, अमाउंट ऑफ मैटर प्रेजेंट, हाउ मच अमाउंट ऑफ मैटर प्रेजेंट, उससे आधारित ये क्या करता है, प्रॉपर्टीज उसका बिहेवियर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स एक्सप्लेन करता है. फॉर एग्जांपल इसके लिए वॉल्यूम, मास एंड लेंथ. वॉल्यूम में क्या है, मैटर, अमाउंट ऑफ मैटर. वॉल्यूम कहाँ भी मेजर करते हैं, उसमें अमाउंट ऑफ मैटर कितना है वो ज़रूरी है. मास, उसमें कितना मैटर है उधर भी लगता है. लेंथ, और एक उसमें और एक है इंटेंसिव प्रॉपर्टी. इंटेंसिव प्रॉपर्टी मीन्स independent, इसका अपोजिट, independent on the amount of matter present. For example, temperature. If you want to measure a temperature, there is no need of amount of matter present in it. And the melting point. What do you mean by melting point? Means a substance get into convert its property, like solid it get into liquid. When that temperature is called melting point and the boiling point. These are the measurement which no need of any matter present in that. There is not independent on this matter, but in the extensive property it is depend on the amount of matter present. At the last of the video I will provide one table in which what units are used to measure the measurement are used for measuring the matter. So second one is chemical properties. Physical property means these are the characteristics that can be observed or measured without change in the substance of chemical composition. It's opposite. It describes how the substance interact with the substance, resulting in the change in the chemical composition. Chemical property means one substance how get interact with the other substance. The measurement of one substance get interact with the other substance by changing its chemical composition is known as chemical properties. ये क्या है, एक सब्सटेंस दूसरे सब्सटेंस से कैसा रिएक्शन होता है और उसका केमिकल कंपोजिशन कैसे चेंज होता है उसके बारे में उसका प्रॉपर्टीज़ को स्टडी करने के केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज़ बोलते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल फ्लेमेबिलिटी, रिएक्टिविटी, ऑक्सीडेशन एंड डिकम्पोजिशन. Oxidation, simple example. When we took a iron, we throw outside when it was raining. A layer will be deposited on that iron. So there will be a changing its composition. Chemical compositions are get changing. So this is one of the example. And decomposition. If you throw any substance, for example, wooden stick. If you throw a wooden stick and after you go after 1 month or 2 months, you can see that there will be a decomposition. Decomposition means breaking of a bigger substance to small. It's called decomposition. And reactivity and flammability. These are some of the example for the chemical properties. So we studied about the physical properties of matter, like physical and chemical properties. In this, we will study about the measurement, how the physical quantities are measured. So SI unit, or the International System of Unit, is the most widely used system of measurement. This provides a standardized framework for the measuring the physical quantity. So to measure the physical quantity, we are using SI units. SI units, these are the units which are used in worldwide to measure the physical quantity. So we have some of the important physical quantities we have to remember. Those are, first one is length. Basic physical quantity, symbol of quantity, name of the SI unit and symbol of the SI unit. So first one is length. Its symbol of quantity is L and name of the SI unit of length is meter, and it is represented symbolically as a small m. This is the one of the base physical quantity. So next one is mass. So what is mass? Symbol of quantity, mass is m. What is the SI unit? What is the name of the SI unit of mass is kilogram, and it is represented as a symbol as kg. So next one is, third one is time. Time is the base physical quantity, and its symbol of base physical quantity is represented as t. And what is the SI unit of time is second, and what is the symbol of time represented as s. So next one is, third one is electric current. What is electric current? Is the base physical quantity, and it's a symbol of the quantity is I, and the SI unit of current is ampere, and it is represented as capital A. So next one is temperature. Temperature is the base physical quantity, and the symbol of quantity is T, and the SI unit of temperature is Kelvin, and it is represented as K. So next one is amount of substance. Amount of substance is represented as N, and its SI unit of amount of substance is mole, and it is represented as MOL. So the last one is luminous intensity. It is the base physical quantity, luminous intensity, and the symbol of it is as IV, and it is represented, its SI unit is candela, and it is represented as CD. These are the important physical quantity we have to remember. We have to study this physical quantity, and it is used everywhere in the world for example, for kilogram we are using kg. To study the, we have to build any house, we use the length, and everything we are using time. In daily life we are using time. And electric current, we have to measure electric current, we are using SI unit as ampere, how much ampere it is flowing. And also we are using many of these physical quantities are very very important in our daily life. And you have to remember these all physical quantity and this SI unit. So in this class we are already discussed about the properties of matter. Like they are classified into, broadly classified into two types: physical and chemical properties. In physical property we discussed about some of the example of physical quantities. And also we will discuss in this class about the chemical properties and its example. And also we also discussed about the uh, measurement and its units, and SI units also we discussed in the class. So please, thank you for watching this video. So if you like, you can subscribe my channel, and you can share this kind of videos to your friends, because due to your sharing it can help very much to others. So thank you.